So as a person, Elizabeth, what really changed you since you've joined this
Actually,
group or couple for Christ?
kasi nga, lagi akong may excuse yung pagsisimba or, things like that. Pero ngayon parang talagang naintindihan ko na yung obligation ko, sa kanya. Na I need to give time na, na makita siya o magdasal sa kanya, things like that. And then also kasi nga, kasi close ako sa kanya nung nasa Pilipinas ako. Kasi nga, Catholic girl, ganon, from kindergarten to high school. So, I have a good relationship. Tapos nung napunta ako sa Amerika, nawala.
Yes.
Kasi I'm so busy. I will go to Mass, like Christmas, Easter. Nagiging Catholic na ako.
When you only want, no, not needed. Pag gusto mo
Oo,
lang.
parang ganon.
Oo.
And then my life got blessed and everything. Pero nakalimutan ko siya. So sabi ko, oh my goodness, what happened? Sabi ko, I've been really blessed, pero bakit nakalimutan ko siya?
Correct.